Machine Gun Kelly, you need to take that robe off. Here it is. You done put on a robe mocking Christianity. Out of all the things that you can put on, you want to mock Christianity and put on a robe. You Machine Gun Kelly. You ain't no preacher. You ain't acting like now if you was one. You ain't got this act right here disrespecting the gospel. Y'all think God is a game, don't you? Y'all need to stop playing with God. Y'all need to find something to do. You Machine Gun Kelly, go get a machine gun or something. Wear that costume. Don't put on no robe mocking Christianity, mocking the word of God. Should be ashamed of yourself. But I know what it is. Y'all think that God is something to play with.